Alright, so let's make a quick sketch of this on our notes. Problem solving. And I was going to go through 2. And today's lesson is to figure out where the graph is increasing and where it is decreasing. Do you guys see how I incorporated the symbol inside the word? What dance is coming up? You guys are head backs. Homecoming? Okay, so let's just say you want to go homecoming, and then let's just say you guys have lots of fun, so you guys go on a roller coaster. Roller coaster as in a place, and roller coaster in relationships. And sometimes in that relationship, if you're going left to right, what happens? You can have times where, the relationship isn't going well. Is this going from left to right, increasing or decreasing? You're going down on this roller coaster. There is a moment of decreasing. And then I have another window right here of decreasing. You guys see all those in yellow? And then from here to here, in this little window in green, it's going up. Do you guys see how it's going up? Now the neat thing about the calculator is it can help you calculate the vertex. Everyone say vertex. Vertex. This is a vertex. They're just peaks and valleys of our roller coaster. And I can do a good job of trying to estimate, but it's not good enough. So your calculator can figure out what is this one called? Minimum and a maximum. So let's go ahead and do this one together. I'll do this one and then you guys do the other 2. So let's use our calculator. I'm going to go to second trace. And then I can calculate this minimum. So go down to number 3. You can either press down or 3. And I got to go way over there because I need to go to the left side of that point. I need to go to the right side of that point. And I got to guess exactly. And it's telling me my answer is negative 0.2997, comma, negative 9.943. And if you think about it, increasing and decreasing is just focusing on the x-axis. So class, on the x-axis or the domain, which direction do I go? I heard it. Which direction, class? Left to right. So on this roller coaster, I got to go from here to there. So the first thing I touch on the roller coaster is a arrow, and the arrow is telling us what? Be careful. Positive or negative infinity? Okay. This is where students will get stuck. It is negative infinity. A lot of you are thinking, well, Mr. Ng, the roller coaster is going up. But I don't really care if it's up or down. I just want to know, is there anything on this direction? Remember, we're focused on the x-axis, not the y-axis. Does that make sense? And then I'm going to stop here. And this x value here is the x number we have here. So it's going to go to about negative 2.997. So in interval notation, the graph is decreasing from negative infinity to about negative 2.997. Okay, what I want you to do with your partner is clarify any questions you have on what you guys did there, and then you guys need to calculate this maximum and this minimum, and see if you guys can give me an interval notation where it is increasing and decreasing. Question?
Would negative 2.9 be a bracket or?
It's a parentheses, and I'll tell you why. Good question. Is, you know how on the roller coaster you're like right there? You're not really going up or down. It's kind of like the water pit. Does that make sense? Or if you go up here, that's kind of like they're suspending you right there. The point, they call that a constant. You guys found the maximum? Second calc, maximum. You're on the left side of this tall mountain. Right side, guess. Negative 1.02, comma 6.03. Raise your hand if you got that. Did you guys see what I did? Okay, I'm going to do it again. Second calc. We're going to calculate a minimum here. So I'm going to go to the left side of this bottom of the valley. Go to the right side, it says right bound, and then I'm going to guess the lowest point. 0.98, comma, negative 1.96. Okay, why did I need that? So that I can finish up where it is decreasing. Okay? So, all the yellows are where they are decreasing. So from this point, now you got to focus, this is just the x and the y. We're just focusing on the x-axis. So from the graph, which is not totally accurate, to about here, that's where it is increasing. But from that same point on the x-axis, so at negative 1.02, to this x value, which is 0.98, that's also where it is decreasing or going down. Everyone say union? These are just saying that these two represents areas that are decreasing. It's connected by that. Okay, where is it increasing? Where is this on the x-axis? Negative 2.997 to where? Negative 9.943? Negative 1.02. Now, if it helps you for increasing and decreasing, you're not looking at that second part. Does that make sense? And then where's the other part where it's increasing? 0.98, so starting right here, right? That's an x value. To where? Positive infinity. So that's how you find increasing, decreasing using your graphing calculator, especially if you have to sketch out a graph.